Hello, my name is Jessica Thoy. This is my math cast. It is intended for the 6th grade, and the objective is to use arithmetic operations, including division of fractions.
This is my vocabulary page. The words we're defining are fraction, denominator, and numerator. A fraction is a whole that has been broken into smaller pieces. So if we look at this whole, the 1/10, that is a fraction. The denominator is the bottom part of the fraction. That tells the person the total number of pieces that make up the whole. So in this case, I use 10. And the numerator is the top part of the fraction that tells the person the number of pieces missing or present for the whole. So most of the time when you're looking at a fraction, you're not going to get a whole number. It will tell you how many pieces out of the whole you have or are missing.
In this problem, we are solving each division problem using a model. And the problem is Henry bought 4 pies, which he plans to share with a group of his friends. If there is exactly enough to give each member of the group 1/6 of the pie, how many people are in the group?
I have drawn my 4 pies, and I have cut each of the 4 pies into sixths. So each slice of pie is 1/6 of the whole pie. So this means that Henry's group has 24 people in it.
And we know this because if we count the number of slices of the pie, we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in one pie. And if we do the math, which in this case would be 6 times 4, we would get 24. So with all 4 pies, we have 24 slices, and there are 24 people in Henry's group, counting Henry. In this problem, we are rewriting the problem as a multiplication question, and we're using a model in our answer. So the question is,
Nicole used 3/8 of her ribbon to wrap a present. If she used 6 feet of the ribbon for the present, how much ribbon did Nicole have at first? So the 3/8 equals 6 feet. So here's my picture. I drew the representation of the whole ribbon with 8 spaces because that one ribbon is being broken into 8 pieces. And I colored in 3 of the 8 pieces and wrote that those 3 mean it is 6 feet. So how can we figure out what one of each of these blocks represent? We can take our 6 and our 3 and divide them together. So 3 goes into 6 2 times with no remainders. So each of these blocks are worth 2 feet. So we can figure out how long the whole ribbon was by taking 8, the number in the denominator, which means the total number of pieces there are, and multiplying it by 2. And 2 times 8 is 16. So there are 16 feet of ribbons in total.
this question is a construction company is setting up signs. on 2 miles of road. If the company places a sign every 1/4 mile, how many signs will it use?
So this is my 2-mile road. So we need to figure out how we would place 2 miles into 4 pieces. So we can multiply 4 times 2 because there are 4 holes in every mile, and we have 2 miles. So if we do 4 times 2, we get 8. So if we put a sign every 1/4 of a mile, we would have 8 signs. So the purple lines show that for every 1/4 mile, we have a purple line showing where the signs for the construction company would be set up. So in a 2-mile road, there will be 8 signs every 1/4 mile.
My name's Jessica Thoy again. The resources I used for this math cast were Engage New York.
That was my math cast. The resources I used were Engage NY, which was the lesson plan for the 6th grade, Model 2. And again, my name's Jessica Thoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this.